So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's lesson on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about plant diseases and defenses. So ensure to stay to the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology exam. Also, at the end of this video, you will get a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. So it's not just humans alone that can get diseases. Plants too suffer same. Plants need mineral ions from the soil, and if they cannot get enough, they suffer deficiency symptoms. Nitrates are needed to make proteins and therefore for growth. So a lack of nitrates will result in stunted growth. Magnesium ions are needed for making chlorophyll, which is needed for photosynthesis. Plants without enough magnesium suffer chlorosis and have yellow leaves. Plants can be infected by viral, fungal, or bacterial pathogens. We've discussed some of their examples in a previous video, so if you've not seen the video, please try to check out our biology playlist. They can also be infested or damaged by insects. For instance, aphids is an example of insects that cause great damage to plants. So when you want to check out for disease in a plant, try to watch out for some of these signs: stunted growths, spots on the leaves, patches of decay, abnormal growth, malformed stems or leaves, and discoloration. Infestation of pests are also easy to spot out too, so you can easily see them on the plants. Different plant diseases have different signs, so they can be identified by looking up the signs in a gardening manual or on a gardening website, taking the infected plants to a laboratory where a scientist can identify the pathogen. Also by using testing kits that can identify the pathogen using monoclonal antibodies. So guys, also understand that plants have physical, chemical, and mechanical defenses. So always remember that, because it's very important. So we'll go ahead and talk about each of these defenses one after the other. So for the physical defenses, most plant stems and leaves have a waxy cuticle, which provides a barrier against pathogens from entering. Also, plant cells themselves are surrounded by cell walls made of cellulose. This provides a physical barrier against the pathogens that make it past the cuticle. Again, plants have layers of dead cells around their stems. An example is the outer part of the bark of a tree, which prevents pathogens entering. For chemical defense, some plants can produce antibacterial chemicals which kill bacteria, examples of which are the mint plant and witch hazel. Other plants secrete poisons which can deter herbivores. So lastly, for the mechanical defenses, some plants have adapted to possess thorns and hairs. This will stop animals from touching or eating them. Some other plants have leaves that drop or coil when something touches them. This means they can prevent themselves from being eaten by some insects by knocking off such insects or making movements to escape them. Also, some plants can cleverly mimic other organisms. For example, passion flower has bright yellow spots on its leaves, which looks like butterfly eggs. This stops other butterflies laying their eggs there. So guys, here is a free biology exam revision practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.